Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's probably sitting in your living room or kitchen right now. Yep, we're talking about plants. But we're going to completely strip away everything you think you know about how they actually grow. We're unpacking the myth of soil and exploring how water is fundamentally redesigning the agriculture of tomorrow.
Okay, let's dive into this. Take a mental inventory for just a second. If you were forced to make a definitive list of the absolute necessities for a plant to survive, what would be on that list? Like, what is the fundamental recipe for plant life?
I'm guessing your list probably looks pretty standard, right? You've got sunlight for photosynthesis, carbon dioxide from the air, water, of course, and the most intuitive one of the whole bunch, soil. I mean, we're taught from day one that the earth is the absolute non-negotiable foundation for growing anything.
But here's where we need to totally shift our perspective. Actually, scratch that earlier list, because the idea that dirt is a biological requirement is entirely a myth. You can cross it right off. If you take soil completely out of the equation, as long as the plant's other biological needs are met, it doesn't mind one bit. No, really, it's pure, proven science.
And we don't even need to look inside some high-tech laboratory to prove this. We just have to look at nature. Think about the incredible architecture of a lotus flower, or the rapid spread of duckweed, or even deep ocean algae. Mother Nature completely bypassed the need for soil eons ago, engineering these plants to thrive above, right on, or even far below the water's surface.
So the crucial point is, when humans replicate this natural process, we call it hydroponics, or hydroculture. And the secret is locked right inside the ancient Greek roots of the word itself. You have hydro, meaning water, and ponos, meaning labor. In hydroponics, the water is literally doing the heavy lifting. It's doing the labor of delivering every single necessary nutrient directly to the plant's root system.
When you compare traditional growing to hydroculture side by side, you quickly realize that soil is, well, it's effectively just a middleman. It's a giant sponge, a holding tank that just stores the nutrients the plant actually craves. And those poor roots, they have to expend so much precious energy pushing through dense dirt just to find their food. By extracting those nutrients and putting them directly into the water, we skip the middleman entirely. It's a concentrated, highly efficient meal delivered straight to the roots.
Now you might be wondering, okay, this is a neat botanical party trick, but why does this actually matter to me? Well, it matters on a massive global scale. Our world is facing some unprecedented, absolutely urgent challenges. Right now, we are dealing with rapidly depleting levels of healthy topsoil all around the globe. Decades of intensive traditional farming are stripping the earth of its nutrients way faster than nature can replace them. And add to that the explosive rate of rapid urbanization. Cities are just constantly expanding, paving over prime arable land with concrete and steel. We are literally running out of space and healthy ground to grow the food humanity needs to survive.
Because of these existential threats, hydroponics isn't just some interesting alternative anymore. It is the macro solution. By completely removing soil from the equation, we completely untether agriculture from the ground. We can grow vertically in urban skyscrapers. We can grow in areas where the native soil is completely barren. Hydroponics allows us to maximize our yields, minimize our space, and dramatically conserve resources. It's a real game changer for securing the agricultural future of humanity.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because you definitely don't need a multi-million-dollar vertical farm to participate in this agricultural revolution. You can start right now on your kitchen counter. The steps for indoor water gardening are brilliantly simple. Step 1, grab a couple of empty bottles or jars. Step 2, fill them with water. Step 3, add some nutrients. And no, you don't need a chemistry degree for this. These are readily available in convenient little packets at literally any local plant nursery. And finally, step 4, just add your plants.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how accessible this science really is. There is a massive variety of everyday indoor plants whose stems will root happily in just a glass of water. You've got your classic trailing plants like English ivy, pothos, spider plants, and the sweet potato vine. Or if you want some really vibrant foliage, coleus, purple heart, and tradescantia thrive beautifully this way. No messy bags of potting soil required, just water, a little bit of nutrients, and some sunlight. The whole shebang.
So, we've gone from fundamentally misunderstanding what a plant needs to survive, to exploring aquatic ecosystems, to breaking down Greek root words, all the way to solving global topsoil crises. And yet, the amazing thing is, the power to harness this incredible science is probably sitting quietly in an empty glass jar waiting in your recycling bin. So I'll leave you with this one final thought today. With all that messy soil completely out of the way and the purest form of plant life unlocked, are you ready to grow the farms of the future right on your windowsill?